Hello everyone, this is Arban. Welcome to this week's forecast video. Before we begin, please note that trading forex and CFDs involves a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The analysis and opinions shared in this video are for educational purposes only and do not constitute financial advice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Always manage your risk carefully and trade responsibly. So now let's get into the fundamental news events which are yet to be released this week and how it might impact the market. Tuesday, actually today, this is the headline day of this week. We got the US Consumer Price Index for December, including core CPI, the first full inflation print since delayed data returned to the calendar. Why this matters? Actually, CPI is the primary gauge of inflation trend. It influences expectations for Federal Reserve policy. Major volatility expected in USD pairs, bonds, and equities as traders react to the data and forecasts. Wednesday. On Wednesday, we look for two big releases in the US. Producer price index, inflation at the wholesale level, and retail sales, gauge of consumer demand and economic momentum. These figures actually help confirm whether uh, price pressures are broadening through the supply chain and whether consumers are still spending. So, both are key for market sentiment and growth expectations. Thursday is lighter on headline data, but markets will still focus on jobless claims and Fed speakers as positioning continues into Friday's releases. Friday has one notable release, German CPI for December, giving the first inflation picture from Europe for the month. European inflation trends matter for euro trading and ECB rate expectations, that is the European Central Bank rate expectations, and can feed into broader risk sentiment in global markets. So, these are the fundamental news events that are expected to be released this week, and this might impact the market. So, please keep an eye on these news releases. Now, let's get into the technical forecast of silver. So, looking at silver on the daily chart, we have a strong bullish momentum. As you can see, the price is in a strong bullish run. Actually, the bulls are on the driver's seat, as we can see here. And also, the indicator, the MACD indicator, helps this, bullish momentum by supporting and creating higher highs. The chart, the price on the chart has created higher highs, and the MACD indicator has also created higher highs. So basically, the daily chart is bullish here. Now let's move on to the H4. On the H4 chart, we have a strong bullish trend pattern that has been formed here, with the price creating higher highs, higher lows, as you can see how marked in yellow. So the H4 chart supports the daily bullish view. Uh, so we get into a conclusion that the bulls are in the run here and are expected to continue further. Moving down to the H1 chart, the last leg on the H1 chart is also a bullish trend pattern. As you can see, the price has created higher highs, higher lows structure. So basically, in silver, the bulls are dominating here and they are in control. And I basically expect this bullish run to continue further. So, what I expect here is I basically expect a pullback now towards the two support zones. Until these two support zones hold, the bullish view still remains the same here. I expect pullbacks towards these zones and the price to respect them and then to continue higher further. So now let's move to the next instrument, which is DAX. In DAX, on the daily chart, we can see that the price, which was moving higher, has broken above a strong resistance zone. As you can see, I have marked in green, and is currently holding above this zone. After breakout, this strong resistance zone acts as a strong support zone now. Also, the MACD indicator supports this bullish view by creating higher highs on the indicator, and also we also have higher highs on the chart. So basically, the bulls are in control here. So now moving down to the next time frame, that is the next lower time frame, which is the H4. On the H4 chart, the price which is moving higher has created a bullish trend pattern, as you can see here. It has created higher highs, higher low structure. So the H4 chart too supports this bullish view. Now let's move on to the H1. The H1 chart, the bulls are dominating here. As you can see, this is a great bullish run which is happening right now, and I don't see any signs of bears getting in control at the moment. So basically, I expect this bullish run to continue higher further. So buy retraces is the plan here. So I expect pullbacks towards these support zones, and then the price to continue higher further. So that's all for this week. Have a great trading week ahead. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's Arvind Akash signing off. Cheers.